Hey Rupar, is your website live but not bringing leads? Here's why and how to fix it fast. Number 1, slow loading speed. If your site take over 3 seconds to load, visit or leave. Fix it by using fast hosting, compressing images and enable caching. Number 2, no clear call to action. CTA. Make sure get a free estimate or call now button front and center. Number 3, no mobile friendly. Over 60% of visitor on mobile. Ensure your site is responsive and easy to navigate. Number 4, poor SEO. If you are not ranking on Google, you are invisible. Use location-based keywords and claim your Google business profile and get review. Number 5, weak content. Add customer review before and after photos and guarantees to build trust. If you need help, Roofdevs build roofing website that converts. Click below for a pre-audit. Thank you.